Welcome to grade 7 science. Good morning students. This is Russell Island International CBSE School online class. This is chapter 5. Name of this lesson is acids, bases and salt. So what is the content of this lesson? Acid, what is an acid? What is a base? Nature indicators, uses of indicators. We use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar and vinegar. Do they have the same taste? Let us recall tastes of some edible substances listed in table 5.5. If you have not tasted any of these substances, taste it now and enter the result in table 5.1. What about baking soda? Does it also taste sour? It not. What is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means it has no acid in it. It is bitter in taste. If you rub its solution between fingers, it feels soapy. Generally, substances like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching, are known as bases. The nature of such substance is said to be basic. Here table 5.5, some substances are here. What is the taste? It is a sour taste or bitter or any other taste. The lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, curd, tamarind, sugar, amla, grapes, unripe mango, they are in the sour taste. And then sugar, common salt, and then cucumber, they are in the any other taste. And then baking soda, that are in the bitter taste. So how can we taste find the substance that contain acid or base? Can we taste all the substance to find the taste? No, because the substance that could be harm us. So how can we tested that substances? So if we cannot taste every substance, how do you find its nature? The special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or basic substance. Turmeric, litmus, China rose petals, etc. are some of the naturally occurring indicators. Some type of indicators. There are two types, nature indicators and synthetic indicators. What is known as nature indicator? Indicators that are obtained from naturally occurring substance are called nature indicators. Example, litmus, turmeric, China rose, etc. Synthetic indicators, indicators that are made as in laboratory are called synthetic indicators. Example, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. Let us see the nature indicator, that is litmus. Litmus is extracted from lichens. Lichens is a composite organism. Lichens consist of fungi and algae living in symbiotic relationship. Litmus is a purple colored liquid in distilled water. Litmus comes in the form of strips of two colors. One is called blue litmus paper, another is called red litmus paper. Litmus liquid and litmus paper are used to detect the acidic or basic nature of a substance. Color of litmus paper in acid. Blue litmus paper turns into red when tipped in acidic solution. Color of litmus paper in base. Red litmus paper turns into blue when tipped in basic solution. The nature indicators already we have to know, isn't it? Once again I recall. Litmus, a natural dye. The most commonly used nature indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in the form of a solution or in the form of a strip of paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. This is a plant, that is a lichens plant. We get the litmus solution from this plant. And then let us perform the activity. Mix some water with lemon juice in a plastic cup or a tumbler or test tube. Put a drop of the above solution on a strip of the red litmus paper with the help of a dropper. Is there any change in color? So repeat the same exercise with the blue litmus paper. Note down if there is any change in color. So when we apply the red litmus paper on a drop of the lemon juice, there is no change in red litmus paper, and then it changes the blue litmus into red because lemon is acidic in nature. Look at this picture. Acid turned the blue litmus paper into red, and base turns red litmus paper into blue. So perform the same activity with the following substances: tap water, detergent solution, aerated drinks, soap solution, shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, washing soda solution, lime water. If possible, make solution in distilled water. So we have tested the following solution with blue and red litmus paper. What did you observe from this activity? Tap water and common salt solution. There is no change in blue litmus as well as in the red litmus papers. So they are neutral. And then detergent solution and soap solution, they are changes the red litmus paper into blue, but no changes in the blue litmus paper, so they are basic in nature. And then aerated drink, shampoo, there is no change in the red litmus paper, and it changes the blue litmus paper into red, so both are acidic in nature. So here tap water, common salt solution, both also neutral substances, and then detergent solution, soap solution, both are basic in nature. And then aerated drinks, shampoo, both are acidic in nature. And then here sugar solution, there is no change in red and blue litmus paper, so it is neutral in nature. And then vinegar, lime water, vinegar, it changes the blue litmus into red, but no change in the red litmus paper, so vinegar is acidic in nature. Baking soda, milk of magnesia, washing soda solution, lime water, these substances, they have to change the red litmus paper into blue in color, but no changes in the blue litmus paper, so these substances are basic in nature. In your table, are there any substances on which litmus had no effect? Name those substances. Yes, the solution which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus are known as neutral solutions. These substances are neither acidic nor basic. Then what's the conclusion about acid? An acid is a chemical substance that has a sour taste. Many food items such as lemons, curd, vinegar and orange taste sour because of the presence of acid in them. Acidic substances are the substances that contain acid in them. The natural acids are the acids that occur in nature. For example, acids found in fruits are natural acids. Examples: here are some natural acids. They are found in this substance. They have to found acidic acid. It is found in vinegar. Formic acid. It is found in ants' sting. And citric acid is present in citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, etc. Lactic acid is present in curd, and oxalic acid is found in spinach, and ascorbic acid is found in amla and citrus fruits. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. All the acids mentioned above occur in nature. And then bases. So what is base? Base is a chemical substance that has a bitter taste and soapy to touch. Bases are found in different substances such as bleach, ammonia, washing powder and soap. Bases are also called alkaline. Basic substances are substances that contain a base in them. Here are also some examples. Calcium hydroxide is found in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide is found in window cleaner. Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide is present in soap. Magnesium hydroxide is present in milk of magnesia. Let us see the another nature indicator, that is known as turmeric. To use turmeric as an indicator, it is generally mixed with water to form a paste, which is then put on blotting paper and try to form thin strips of turmeric paper. The turmeric paper is then put into the solution in order to determine their acidity or alkaline nature. Sometimes turmeric solution is also used as an indicator. So turmeric is also used as a nature indicator. Turmeric is of yellow color. Turmeric paper turns into red when it is dipped into basic solution. Turmeric paper does not change its color with acid. Next nature solution is China rose. China rose is another nature indicator. China rose solution gives dark pink, that means magenta color with acid, and clean green color with base. Let us perform the activity. You can prepare a greeting card for your mother on her birthday. Apply turmeric paste on a sheet of plain white paper and dry it. Draw a beautiful flower with the soap solution with the help of a cotton bud. You will get a beautiful greetings card. Look at this picture. Next, we use the turmeric solution. We have to find it. What is an acid and what is a base? The lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar. There is no change in the turmeric solution. So that are known as acidic in nature. And milk of magnesia, baking soda, lime water, they have to change the turmeric solution into red in color. So they are base in nature. And sugar and common salt, they have no change. So they are known as neutral solution. Let us see some question answer. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. The litmus solution is extracted from lichens. Litmus solution is used as an indicator to find acidic and basic nature of solution. Is the distilled water acidic or basic or neutral? Yes, distilled water is neutral in nature, and this can be tested by using red and blue litmus paper. In either of the cases, color remains unchanged. So, distilled water is neutral in nature. So, write the difference between acid and bases. What is an acid? Acids are sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste. Acids turn blue litmus paper into red, and then base does not change the color of the blue litmus paper. Acid does not change the color of the red litmus paper. Bases turn red litmus paper into blue color. Acid do not change the color of turmeric. Bases turn turmeric into red in color. And then ammonia is found in household product such as window cleaner. It turns red litmus blue. What's its nature? So answer is basic in nature. The base only turns red litmus paper into blue in color. So ammonia is a basic in nature. Another question. Toraj has a few bottles of soft drinks in his restaurant, but unfortunately these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and third one wants neutral drink. How will Toraj decide which drink is to be served to whom? Yes, Toraj can taste a few drops out of soft drinks bottles. Acidic solution is sour in taste, basic solution is bitter in taste, and neutral solution has no taste. Along with tasting, Toraj can use litmus paper to test the nature of soft drinks. He should use blue litmus paper to test the acidic solution, and then he has to put a drop of solution on blue litmus. If it turns red, the solution will be acidic in nature. Similarly, he can use red litmus paper to test the basic solution. He has put a drop of solution on red litmus. If it turns blue, then the solution will be basic in nature, and then there is no change in the blue litmus, either blue litmus nor red litmus paper. That solution is neutral solution. Then three liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, and third is sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only turmeric indicators. Already we have to learn the turmeric solution only turns the base into red color, but in acidic medium there is no change. Let us see the answer. Add solution to container with the turmeric indicator. If the solution is sodium hydroxide, it would turn turmeric indicator to red. To the same container, add test solution number 2. If the added solution is sugar solution, indicator remains red because the mixture of basic and neutral solution will remain basic in nature. Similarly, add the test solution in number 3 to another container with the turmeric indicator. If the indicator remains red, then the solution will be hydrochloric acid. So base, it turns turmeric solution into red, but acidic solution they have no changes. Let the next question. Blue litmus paper is dipped in the solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? Explain. Yes. The above solution may be neutral or basic in nature, as both of them will not change the color of the blue litmus paper. Let us see the homework. Write the difference between acid and base. Define natural and synthetic indicator. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. Is distilled water acidic or basic or neutral? So observe the video carefully and find out the answer